Hi everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secrets behind the doors of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the place where US dollars are made. Today we're peeling back the layers of the $100 bill to discover the art and science behind its creation. From high-tech security features to intricate printing techniques, join us as we delve into the fascinating journey of America's most prestigious banknote. Subscribe and hit the bell to uncover more secrets with us. The history of the dollar. Dive into the storied past of the US dollar, a currency that took its first steps in 1690 and was officially issued in its recognizable form by the US Federal Reserve in 1792. Among its various denominations, the $100 bill stands out, not just for its high value, but also for bearing the iconic image of Benjamin Franklin. Over the years, this bill has undergone significant transformations, evolving with the introduction of advanced security features designed to thwart counterfeiters. How is a $100 bill produced at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing? Raw material selection and preparation. The journey begins with the selection of high-quality cotton and linen fibers. These fibers are subjected to a rigorous purification process in a large boiler where temperatures reach 280 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively removing natural oils. Paper making process. The result is a clean blend that forms the bill's durable base. Post-cleaning, the fibers are transformed into homogeneous pulp. Through pressing and rolling, it's shaped into paper strips, ready for the next phase. Security is paramount in the $100 bill's design.
Now on the left-hand side of the note is an embedded security thread. Now this feature has a property that causes it to glow pink in UV light. So if you put the note under the UV light.
Yeah, actually, could we just dim the lights so we can see this a little easier? Thanks.
Yep. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. That's very clear.
A distinctive security strip is embedded within the paper, only visible under transmitted light. Printing process. The printing process consists of two main stages: offset printing and intaglio printing. $100 paper bill undergoes a chemical coating process, enhancing ink adherence. This ensures durability and quality. After coating, the paper passes through 25 machines at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In the offset press stage, delicate multicolored designs gently adorn both sides of the $100 bill paper, adding an elegant touch. In the intaglio process, engraved plates with concave designs hold ink. Excess is removed, leaving ink only in the engraved areas. Under extreme pressure, the paper absorbs this ink, creating raised, detailed designs.
We also knew that some of the security features previously used were very effective, and so we also kept those in this design. First is the portrait watermark. Now, if you hold the note up to the light, you can see a faint image of Benjamin Franklin.
Yep.
Now, to make it easier, I'll put it on a light table for you to see.
Okay. Yep, I can see him right there.
So that's what's called the portrait watermark, and you can view it from both sides of the bill.
Quality control. Every $100 bill is assigned a unique serial number, enhancing its traceability and security. These numbers are scrutinized alongside the bill's overall quality by trained inspectors, ensuring that only flawless bills proceed to the final stages.
Well, there is actually a feature called color shifting ink. Now, this is found in the lower right corner, and it uses the same ink that's found in the bell and the inkwell.
Okay.
Now, if you take the note and tilt it back and forth, you'll see that the 100 in the lower right corner actually shifts from copper to green.
Whichever way you tilt it, it'll change.
Just tilt it back and forth.
Okay.
Cutting, packaging, and distribution. After quality inspection, printed sheets are precisely cut into individual bills, each measuring about 2.61 inches in width and 6.14 inches in length, at dedicated cutting stations. These bills are then organized into straps for bundling. Subsequently, each set of $1,000 bills is shrink-wrapped and affixed with a barcode. Each set of $100 bills is shrink-wrapped and affixed with a barcode, facilitating accurate tracking of the printed currency's volume. Finally, these bundles are securely packed into specially designed containers, ensuring their protection during transport and storage, and ready for distribution into the financial system. In fiscal year 2021, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing's environmental initiatives such as solid natural ingredients and light-emitting diode upgrades significantly reduce waste and emissions. Thanks for exploring the $100 bill production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.